Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special with 19,045 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, a keyless ignition, navigation, traction control, TPMS, and an electronic suspension. It's been upgraded with Screaming Eagle mufflers, a Wonderlic seat, a Madstad windshield, a Garmin GPS, and handlebar risers. Powered by a 1250cc V-twin engine, the Pan America puts 150 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.6-gallon fuel tank, the Pan America has a 150 to 200-mile fuel range. It has a 31-inch seat height and a 569-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear is at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the frame guard, a scrape on the hand guard, scrapes on the tour pack, and a dent on the left saddlebag. This bike has 2 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.